Hi and welcome to webisode number 6 of 10 on how to build a computer. Today we follow up on the previous videos by showing you how to install a power supply. Since there are so many different components all having different power requirements, the power supply needs to be able to supply each of them with separate voltages. It is important that your power supply is of the highest quality since your entire computer is powered by it. Power supplies come in many different wattages, from 300 to 1000 and beyond. The faster and more powerful your computer, the higher rated power supply you require. Today we are using a 550 watt turnkey power supply. Fasten the power supply in place using 4 bigger sized screws. Okay. Ready? We will now connect power to the hard drive, as well as the optical drive, using the black starter power connectors from the power supply. Secondly, we connect power to the graphics card using the 6 or 8 pin PCI Express power connector. Lastly, we connect the power to the motherboard using both the white or black 4 or 8 pin auxiliary power connector, and then the 24-pin main power connector. Before completing our power supply installation, we neatly cable tie the power supply wires to improve airflow through the case. There you go, your power supply is now installed. In our next installment, we'll be discussing system cooling. Be sure to check it out and rate this video on YouTube and share it on Facebook. Cheers, see you next time.